second part of the same topic, electric field due to dipole is at equatorial point of the dipole. We have calculated in the previous one at axial point. Equatorial means this one, right? At the perpendicular distance from the center. Any point at this line we have taken point P. Now here you have taken point P at distance r from the center. So from minus q and plus q, using Pythagoras theorem, you will have distance under root r square plus a square. This is r, this is a, square of r square plus a square, then root over it. That will give you this distance. Same distance will be for minus q. Now, because of plus q charge, the electric field will be acting outward. We know electric field due to plus charge is radially outward. So, direction of electric field will be outward. But because of minus q at point P, the electric field's direction will be inward. It will be coming towards the minus q charge, right? Now, if you see, if this is the angle theta, this will also be theta. This line and this is parallel. These angles will be equal. Similarly, these lines and parallel, this is intersecting line, so this theta will give you the same angle theta here. E plus q is resolved into two components, vector resolution, which we have done in class 11. E plus q sine theta and E plus q cos theta, right? This will be E plus q cos theta, E plus q sine theta. Similarly, E minus q, again this angle is theta, so this will give you E minus q cos theta and this will give you E minus q sine theta. Once again I am saying this E plus q is resolved into two components like this. Here they are resolved into two components, E plus q sine theta, and here it is E minus E plus q cos theta. Here E is this resolved into these two components, E minus q sine theta, E minus q cos theta. So here if you see E minus q sine theta, E plus q sine theta, if you see its magnitude, electric field at point P due to minus q and plus q charge, from here or here if you take, its magnitude will become equal 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon distance is r square plus a square whole square. This will cancel with this root, so you will get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square plus a square. Distance is same from here to P point, from minus q to P point. So obviously the magnitude will remain same, magnitude of the electric field at point P due to both the charges will remain same. So since electric field is same, magnitude is same, their components will also have same magnitude. But here you see the direction is opposite, E plus q sine theta, E minus q sine theta, equal and opposite. So they will cancel. The components of E minus q and E plus q, which are normal to the dipole axis, will cancel out. These two will cancel. What are left? There, these components, E plus q cos theta, E minus q cos theta. So the components parallel to the dipole axis will add up. These two will add because they are in the same direction. The total electric field E is opposite to the direction of P. Why we are writing this point? Electric field's direction is, resultant direction is this, but direction of P, dipole moment, is from minus q to plus q. So direction of P is towards right, direction of E is towards left. Here if you see this word, E is in this direction. So total electric field is simple addition of these two components. E is equal to E plus q cos theta, E minus q cos theta. Since magnitude is same, we will be writing twice EQ cos theta. Q can be minus sign, plus sign. It will be because the magnitude is same. You will get twice of this magnitude. So 2 into electric field how much? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square plus a square from this. But cos theta, if this is theta, cos theta will be equal to this one, base upon hypotenuse from this triangle. So a upon under root r square plus a square. So here, since cos theta equal to a upon under root r square plus a square. We have substituted this value cos theta. If you solve, this is 2qa, that means q into 2a will give you dipole moment P. This will be r square plus a square, and this is power half, so total will be 3 by 2. So this is the expression for electric field at point P due to the dipole. The point P is at equatorial position. Vector form, E vector equal to minus sign we have written. This is very important point here. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P vector upon r square plus a square power 3 by 2. Vector E, when we are writing the vector form of the electric field, you will find E and P. As I told you earlier also, E is in this left direction, P is on the right side, plus Q direction, towards plus Q charge. So their direction is opposite, so that's why we are writing minus sign, because when we write the vector quantity, we need to give the direction. As in the previous case, for short dipole, if r is very greater than a, this a square will be neglected, so we are left with r square power 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, we are left with r cube. So the resultant electric field will be E is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r cube. This is the resultant expression.